Okay, so we have the accurate SmartEntry mortise lock here. I want to talk a little bit about the installation. So we've already installed the mortise lock. That's typical standard mortise pocket per our preparation. This lock takes a cylinder. It can take lever handles, thumb grips, knobs, what have you. In this case, we're showing lever handles and a thumb turn. So what you'll notice is there's a harness, a wire harness with a 7-pin connector that comes through a raceway from the lower typical mortise pocket up through what we call out for a 1-inch raceway up to very easily be able to get that harness through. And you'll notice it connects here to the CPU logic board. In this case, we're using a battery pack. It utilizes 4 AA batteries. You'll notice that that is connected here via like a typical 9-volt connector. You'll notice that we have 2 extra wires here. You can use this with a traditional power supply, a hardwired power supply as well, but the default is to a battery powered system basically. So if we go to install this in the pocket, we're gonna bury our battery pack in here, and then we also provide a shim, and the shim gives us just a little extra material to get us back out to the to be flush with the base front, so that when we put the faceplate on, everything will look even. So we're gonna bury those wires in here. There's nothing super critical about this. And then you would just continue to screw those screws down. They're going to hold the CPU case to the door. And then you would continue with the decorative faceplate screwed down into the 2 machined, drilled and tapped holes on the standard base front system. And then you would have if it's a wood door, you would have we provide a combination screw, so it actually could go in wood or metal in a hole that's pre-prepared here.